Magma oceans and scorching winds, a day on K2-141b. Imagine a planet so extreme that it defies everything we think we know about habitability and the conditions necessary for life. Welcome to K2-141b, a newly discovered superplanet located approximately 200 light-years from Earth. This distant exoplanet is shrouded in mystery, presenting a landscape filled with magma oceans, supersonic winds, and a climate that would make even the hardiest of life forms reconsider their existence. The vivid imagery of this hellish world sparks the imagination, leading us to ponder what it would be like to inhabit such a place, if it were even possible. K2-141b has caught the attention of astronomers and scientists alike, primarily due to its extreme environmental conditions. But before delving into the specifics of this planet, it's essential to understand what an exoplanet is. An exoplanet, in simple terms, refers to a planet that orbits a star outside of our solar system. Just as Earth revolves around the Sun, K2-141b orbits its own star, engaging in a cosmic dance that defines its unique characteristics. What makes K2-141b particularly intimidating is the fact that it is tidally locked to its star. This phenomenon occurs when the gravitational forces between a planet and its star cause one side of the planet to face the star at all times, while the opposite side remains in perpetual darkness. Imagine Earth's moon, which is tidally locked to our planet. One side is always visible from Earth, while the other remains hidden. On K2-141b, the side facing its star is a scorching landscape filled with molten rock, while the dark side experiences extreme cold. This duality presents an intriguing but terrifying view of planetary extremes. Now, let's picture what a typical day would be like on K2-141b. To begin with, any notion of breathing oxygen is out of the question. Instead, the atmosphere consists of a cocktail of toxic gases, such as sodium, silicon monoxide, and silicon dioxide. The environment is inhospitable and potentially lethal, making it impossible for life as we know it to survive there. The atmosphere's composition is a stark reminder of how different conditions can be on various celestial bodies, and it emphasizes the uniqueness of our own planet, which supports a rich diversity of life. When we talk about the surface of K2-141b, the image that comes to mind is one of a fiery hellscape. The planet is enveloped in magma oceans, where molten rock flows freely, creating an ever-changing landscape that is both mesmerizing and dangerous. This molten surface, caused by the planet's proximity to its star, results in a consistent state of volcanic activity. The heat generated is so intense that it keeps the surface in a constant state of flux, creating vast lakes of lava and rivers of molten rock. Scientists theorize that if one were to stand on the surface of K2-141b, they would witness a breathtaking yet terrifying view of an active world, continuously reshaped by volcanic eruptions. Given the planet's extreme temperatures, it's fascinating to note just how hot K2-141b can get. Estimates suggest that the surface temperatures can soar to an astonishing 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. To put this into perspective, the hottest temperature recorded on Earth is a mere 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This dramatic difference underscores how K2-141b embodies the most extreme aspects of planetary environments. The intense heat is capable of vaporizing rocks, contributing to a unique form of precipitation. Rather than rain, K2-141b experiences rocks raining down from the sky, a surreal concept that challenges our understanding of what precipitation can be. Adding to the chaos of K2-141b's environment are the supersonic winds that whip across the surface. With speeds reaching up to 3,000 miles per hour, these winds are akin to the strongest hurricanes on Earth, but magnified to a terrifying degree. For comparison, the strongest wind recorded on Earth was a mere 250 miles per hour during Tropical Cyclone Olivia in Australia. The winds on K2-141b would not only uproot any structures but would also carry vaporized rock particles, making the atmosphere even more hostile. Imagine a world where your hat is not merely blown off your head but swept away at 5 times the speed of an airplane. The sheer force of these winds would create a landscape where survival would be virtually impossible for any known form of life. In contrast to the daytime side of K2-141b, which is a cauldron of heat and chaos, the nighttime side is a realm of extreme cold. The temperature here can plummet to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit, a stark contrast to the fiery side. This perpetual night is not just cold, it is a desolate wasteland where the landscape is frozen solid. This extreme difference in temperature between the two sides of the planet illustrates the harsh realities of tidal locking. While one side bakes under relentless heat, the other experiences a frigid darkness that is reminiscent of some of the coldest places on Earth, such as Antarctica. Speaking of Antarctica, it's intriguing to compare K2-141b to the most extreme environments we have on our planet. Antarctica is technically classified as a desert due to